Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a partial screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First let's take out an S Pen, and with an S Pen in here you can see as soon as you take out an S Pen it will offer you a menu to where you can choose Smart Select. This allows you to capture part of the screen. Now if you cannot find if the menu does not appear, then you can tap on this button right here on the side, the Air command, and from the pop menu you can select Smart Select. Now once you have select Smart Select down here, you can select a square or a rectangle selection tools. Otherwise in here you can do a free selection like that. So this is a freeform selection. Otherwise you can choose a circle, so be it a circle or an oval, so you can select. And so I'm just going to go back and select a square. That would be easier. So in here I'm going to select this part of the screen, and once you have selected that part of the screen, you can, before you save the image, you can choose to edit, so you can draw on the image. Or you can use the eraser. You can tap on the back key to go back to your previous action or go forward. So you can undo and redo. You can choose a different color pen, different type of pen. You can highlight certain part. And you can choose a different color as well. And after, once you are happy, you can tap on the download button, which is the save button, or you can share it. Now, after you have captured the image, you can also pin it to the screen. But now because we're in edit mode, so we cannot go back and pin the image. So what we can do is tap on the download button, and this will save the image to the gallery. So we open up gallery, you should see the image that we have captured. So this is a partial capture, so you don't have to capture the whole screen, just the part where you are interested in saving. And that's it. So that is how you can perform a partial capture. Here, if I tap on Smart Select again, and now I'll choose a circle, and if I want to capture part of this screen right here, then I can pin it to the screen. After that, I can say open up a note application or another application, and I can touch and hold, and then I can drag into that application. And here I will close this one. And as you can see, so you can also use these features to capture and then insert into a note application or another application where you want to paste the image. And that's it. That's quite useful. Instead of capturing the whole thing, you can capture just part of the screen. And once you're finished, you can just put your S Pen back into your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.